925 Music.
Hi, Lewe.
Hey, Kaliwa Square. Whoa, buy you walada.
Mami po.
Los Angeles, Washington DC, Bronx, New Jersey, New York. What I say?
Hollywood.
Yeah, Hollywood. Yeah, this is my area. Hollywood. No? I'm staying on Meduma. The Meduma means Hollywood. If you're actor in Ghana or actress or musician, you will not come from a country to Kumasi and sit in my place. You know? Yeah, that's me, Kumeleka. I'm Maka Ghana or Kumeleka Michael Jackson. If you go to America, I present Michael Jackson. Yeah, man. Yeah. Because I'm here, hello, you know? Yeah. And that's always tomboy. Don't envy. Don't envy us.
No.
You can come to America to process your particulars and be a citizen in America. No. So it's not beef, you know?
What are you wearing?
You say?
What are you wearing?
Way back. Yeah, I can't tell you more. But now we are in Texas. Now we are in Texas.
Popularly known as
UGC, yeah. UGC. We record the Zanfellas new song. Zanfella featuring Kumeleka Stars. We are the legend.
Yeah.
If you're a legend, then we can pass. And this one, if we not enter this one, we are not. Either you like or you don't like. Still, I will go over you. People emotional like funny face, not nice. It's not good. Why am I be emotional? What I said? We are the Kumeka started trending. People envy, people emotional. People emotional like people act emotional like funny face. You know? But I talk to funny face and funny is no good, no? Funny face change. He be the normal one, no?
Yeah.
Yeah. And the Kumeka superstar, Hollywood. Yeah, Madam, present Hollywood. Today I'm going to talk. From here, you go to Bronx, you go to Massachusetts, you go to Ohio, you go to the Washington DC,
Mississippi,
you go to California, and go to the KJTNM. Town Square. People don't know Town Square.
Yes.
If you don't know America, you can never know Town Square.
Yeah.
Nobody sees. Oh, eh?
You're going to countries and
Trying
to take out this.
Oh, yeah. 23 states. He's on me. I can't.
Donation.
It's B2 today. Leeward. That's right.
Tabani Music.
Charlie, how we did? Where we did? Babu, we base. See how we did? Where we did? Babu, we base. Da down.
America.
Yes.
What a no this step. Money, what I say? Some make us out of what I say. That's not what I say. Get Kumeleka here, it Texas. Friend, you change the name. into the American name. Kansas. Enjoy. Moving on.
You are celebrating.
I won't go over you. Down. This thing go over you. This be Lil Wayne and Dope Nation. Najee with the compass. Let's go. Down. This thing go over you. This be Lil Wayne and Dope Nation. Charlie with the compass too. Let's go. You know the mind, know the fear them. This joint with the con mix things. For the boy, for the girl them. Yeah, fresh girls give me King Kong kiss. We know the mind, know the fear them. Hey, this joint with the con mix things. For the boy, for the girl them. Fresh girls in the hood give me King Kong kiss. Let's go. Down. Charlie, how we did? Where we did? Bow, we base. See how we did? Where we did? Bow, we base. Down.
For now, we are the Dominicans, you know? We are citizens in the Dominicans. Now we are in Texas. And at first, you know, from here, we move from here to Georgia. From Georgia to Florida. From Florida to New York. We are past here, we are past California before you go to Georgia and then Florida and enter to New York. And New York City, you know, and the town square. What I say? Let's follow me. We are still chilling because I'm tour all the states in America. After the tour, I thank you. As you come and see your eye. Enter before, yeah. Before to Papa no pass out. Hey, Kumika. Ready, what's this for?
Sabani music.
Van Dam, Kassoa Van Dam, Van Dam, Kassoa Van Dam, Van Dam, Kassoa Van Dam, Van Dam, Kassoa Van Dam. From Van Dam, what's a Kassoa Van Dam? 50 Kumasi ko pram pram. Libe kwa what's a wanzam. Many reason no, hear me swag no. Sika no ho, me cash no. Brefie, me me cash no. Modi esema no, motama so. Van Dam, Kassoa Van Dam. Van Dam, Kassoa Van Dam. Van Dam, Kassoa Van Dam. Van Dam, Kassoa Van Dam.
Modi esema no. Odi obi betu to visit Ghana ha. Oba ko jasam dia wonya Ghana ba. Movies anyomo to emo obi na da you never reach ya wo Canada. Ka wan checking ya twitwa ko kitchen no kra na ye kan se bi obi pedese no face nya funny comedy we are missing. Kra no kwadwo na control you for listen. Movies no easy ya 1000 and counting. Ba ko kra chasa ko ra change house. Yen fa bi bi anto che movies in new five.
We are still trending in the Kumeleka, you know. Here be Miami, you know. Miami, the old name is Swami. What does that mean? We change to go to Kumeleka and the same like America.
Yeah, sure.
And stay here.
Yeah.
Here be Miami.
Yeah, here be Miami.
Opa America will be hot part and then Miami.
Miami.
Opa Kumeleka. Here be Miami. You can see around big roundabout here. Opposite mall here? Yes, sure. Yeah. This is Kumilika. Yeah. Kumilika. Yeah. Yeah. If we see the past president of Kumilika, and then now the current citizen president in Kumilika, that place with Washington DC, you know. I know you like it or don't like it. We are the Kumilikans. Yeah, sure. We are still chilling in Kumilika. Please, we are not stopping anybody. Anybody can enter Kumilika, but at least be sure you have your ID card or your passport. If you have a passport in Kumilika, you can enter this town to chill. We can give you visa 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, get 1 year or 5 years. We can jump right here. Then your wife have a citizen. You use the cattle to cover you. I know you don't like. You are still training in Kumilika, no? From here, we pass. You go Washington or New York. Yeah, New York. You can go to New York. Town Square, 24/7. Nobody can sleep, you know. Please, no tribalism. Everybody like hometown. Your time is up. Kumilika, please. No challenge. And nobody can enter this town. Please make sure we have Kumilika Airport, Kumilika Airline, Kumilika Sport, Kumilika Bar, a lot of Kumilika, no? Okay, yes, Pop. Miami is a very nice place. Miami is a nice place. We have I don't go here. I don't go in Kumilika. Okay, guys. It's a Canada. We pop champagne. Pop champagne.
Pop it.
Yeah.
Pop it.
Kumilika.
So, America.
Kumilika.
So, America. That is okay.
Kumilika.
Yeah, Kumilika.
Let's pop. We are popping.
We are celebrating. Kumilika celebrating.
We are celebrating.
We are working with the nice ladies in Kumilika, you know, international ladies. Oh, Miami, I'm not too much. We make sure to cast it here. Cast everybody. Here we run about. Miami run about. That the purpose is too much. I'm not sure the president can do for us. That's fine. Yes.
Long live Kumilika. Long live both prosperity.
Can you say something?
Yes, Miami, we are celebrating. What I said, we got plenty of people here. We got the runabout, big runabout in Kumilika. If you don't get visa, don't come to Kumilika.
Don't come to Kumilika.
Yeah, that's me. And my brother. Tell him.
You know, Bole, I'm your fear, you know, fear of your Kumilika is raining.
Yeah.
Look at it to me, I say.
Yeah.
We don't want it. We ain't going bet. I'm not Kumilika. From now, there's a Kumilika citizen.
International.
Because he worked with Hollywood artist, Michael Jackson. Kumilika Commando. I don't like. You go by you. Okay, now please, we can go. New York. New York. And go Times Square. I say why.
Lewis. Be a Miss Marco Faber to me so bad.
Emma. We are dental. Ube Premier. Are you a dental? We are dental. Ube Premier. Are you a dental?
You put them in a saw me, so are you a dental? Mrs. Saw me, so every day. You put them in a saw me, so you know the rest. Mrs. Saw me, so are you a dental? You put them in a saw me, so. saw me so. Are you a danger? Saw me so. You the fella. Who put me na saw me so. The mommy demon.
Oh, so Mr. Plantation. Or remit is a plantain chips. Or remit is a plantain chips. I say, boy, we are good, we are amazing. Hey, one question, are you a dantem? Unti another men dantem. Be the password, the better men dantem. See, saw me to be the anthem.
Mrs. Saw me so. Saw me so. Who put me na saw me so. Mrs. Saw me so.
Jack Pia saw me so.